Do you believe that more money is accessible, but you're just not sure how to access it? Do you feel that your current relationship or story around money could be keeping you stuck? Would you prefer to live in a world where money flowed to you easily and frequently? Do you ever feel anxious or impatient when you think about your bills or your financial commitments? Or are you looking for a system that walks you through how to harness the law of attraction so that you can attract more financial abundance? If any or all of these sound like you, you're in the right place. You see, once you understand that manifestation is based on a 6-step process and you know how to navigate each of these steps, you'll be able to manifest a life of unlimited abundance. The problem though is if you're not aware of all 6 steps in the manifestation game plan, you can get stuck, and those feelings of impatience and anxiousness actually end up creating bigger abundance blocks in your ability to be able to attract money. In fact, the longer you remain stuck, the stronger your old money stories become, and the more difficult it is to release those stories and to make space for new ones. But that's exactly why you're here. This 3-part video series is going to show you exactly the 6 steps in the manifestation game plan and give you everything that you need to identify your old money stories and release them so that you can manifest more money into your world.